What up guys, this is a short video just to let you know how I installed this rear view camera. This is from Amazon. It's the one that's in the rear view mirror. I'm not gonna show you an actual tutorial like how to open it and what to do, but if you open the trunk, the gate, you remove the plastic, one bolt over here, got another bolt over there, and then you remove the whole plastic, the trim, then you run the cable. I had to drill in mine because this plastic was did not have a hole, so I had to drill one to make a hole for it. Then I had to run the cable from behind this plastic in there, and then I had to tap it to the sides into the brakes for the reverse right there. Run the cables through here. All the cables that are going from the camera from behind where the bow tie is, they meet right here, and then if you pry this plastic open, you're gonna be able to see it. But from there, I was able to run it through here. I did a little bootleg job. I couldn't fit all the cables inside because I had more than one cable, so I had to make a hole in this rubber boot, put the whole the cable inside, put some silicone in there, and then goes inside in here. What I did actually to save myself time and cable, I ran the cable straight to the headliner, so I had to remove every single those two covers for the lights, and I had to reach inside and just grab the cable and pull it. I did the same thing with both of them. That's how I was able to run the cables straight through the middle of the headliner all the way to the front of the car where the mirror is. I'm gonna show you that right now. Right there. So I could have even opened this one. I mean, I did, but you guys don't have to. But it's easier if you remove this one and you run the cables from the middle through here, and then the cables are all bundled up right there under the headliner, and they come out from there. I got the cable for one camera. This is the one with the rear view mirror, and the way it looks is this is how it is right now. Recording the rear to the rear. This is with the parking, and you can also set it up to record the front or both. You have the rear right down the corner. This is the front. I always use it for the back. This is the camera that points to the front. I have another one right there. They both measure the miles per hour. In case police wants to mess with me and pulls me over and then they claim that I was driving faster. This is the GPS device that comes with the mirror. I purchased this DuDuBell M2 from Amazon. It was like $90. I'm satisfied with it, but from time to time it will show you that the memory card is full, so you have to format the card. But you don't need a ton of video memory on it. This is more like in a way for safety measures. You can erase it every week and update the storage in it. And for this camera, I think it's called True something. I ran it also comes with the GPS. I ran the cable to the top, then I ran it above the headliner to the A pillar, and then I connected it here. I ran both cables right there, tapped them with the fuses. One fuse right there, connector, another one right there, and the extra cables are tucked in inside. One cable is for the actual camera, and the other cable is for my anti-radar. Right now it's not connected because I'm running the actual cable just to test it right there, but I had a cable that's now tucked in. I can just remove it from under the headliner and just plug in my anti-radar. That's it guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'm willing to answer any questions you guys have. Thank you.